Hey guys, quick and easy recipes here. Today we're going to be making beer battered fried chicken. I'm using chicken leg quarters, but you could use chicken thighs or drumsticks, as both works the same in this recipe. So I'm using Frank's hot red sauce to marinate the chicken. I'm using about half the bottle because I have 6 large pieces of chicken. You can adjust the ratios depending on how much chicken you use. Add some garlic powder, some onion powder, black pepper, and mix it all around. I'm going to marinate this chicken for about 2 hours in the fridge. It's important not to overpower the seasonings in this marinade because we're also going to be adding seasonings onto the breading mixture. For the coating, I'm adding about 1 cup of cornstarch. Cornstarch helps make the chicken crispy when it fries. About 1 cup of flour as well. It gives it some texture. About a tablespoon of salt. And some garlic powder. Onion powder. Chili powder. Crushed red peppers. Some parsley flakes, ground black pepper, and finally some paprika. You can also add any of your other favorite seasonings. Don't be scared of adding too much seasonings because they're not all covered by the chicken. For the wet batter, I'm using beer. I like the flavor that adds to the chicken. You can use any type of beer or even club soda if you want to. I'm adding 3 eggs to this mixture, about a cup of flour, a tablespoon of salt, crushed red peppers again, some garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and paprika. Some parsley flakes to give it some color when it fries, and mix it all well. Don't mix it too much so that all the carbonation gets out of the beer. Just mix it enough so there's no more clumps. Coat the marinated chicken with the dry flour first, and then dip it into the wet batter. Make sure all of it's coated evenly and shake off the excess. Coat it in the dry flour one more time. It's important to shake off all the excess so the breading does not get too thick. Set the fire to a medium heat and let the oil heat up. You know the oil's ready when you put a wooden chopstick in and you see all the bubbles start coming out. Hold the chicken for a few seconds before fully dropping it in. You don't want the breading to stick to the bottom of the pan. I left the chicken cooking at a medium heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. When the chicken is almost done, it becomes a golden brown color and it should start floating to the top of the oil. You can see how flaky and crispy the chicken has become after frying it. You have learned how to make your beer battered fried chicken.